About to do my hair, and I feel like I'm gonna do real good because I'm gonna take my actual time and do my hair. I haven't done this in so long. I usually just be slapping on a wig, but today I feel like I want to do better. So today's video is sponsored by Allove Hair. They did send me a 24-inch deep wave wig, and I tried to customize it. That shit don't look customized at all. Like, I don't even know how to do this shit no more, but it looks way better than it did because it wasn't pre-plucked. So this is the wig. Ooh, shit, my camera. The ends is like see-through, but hopefully it look good on my head. I'm probably gonna wear it fluffy since it's like that, but I'm not gonna bore y'all with the install. I'm gonna just like show y'all a little bit. It's gonna be quick, and I do want to do like 2 braids today, so let's go ahead and get into it. Hopefully it come out right. the braids. And let me just go ahead and press this out back. Well, press this back more because I want it to be super flat. Oh, I want the part to stay. So let me go ahead and take this hair out. I want the part to keep going. I mean, it can't go much further because I think this is a 13 by 4. I'm gonna go ahead and take some more bio silk and silk it down. And then hot comb it again. Yeah, this is actually hella cute. I never, well, yes I have. Well, I'm doing, this is the first time I did an actual style on my hair in a long ass time. I'm usually just doing side part, middle part, side part, middle part, side part, middle part, side part, middle part. And that's it. But not today, Satan. It's cute. Let me get a thing. I don't really know how to do them little fluffy edges yet. So I just be doing this. But the hair. So I said I was gonna leave it poofy, but I'm just gonna go ahead and wet it a little bit so it could be at least a little bit defined. Just to get across a little bit of something. I'm out to spray. I'm finished. So yeah, I'm finished with my hair. This is the finished look. Cute, cute.